Hey there! Today I have an unboxing of a recent Dior beauty purchase I made, which, I'll be blunt, this is a more money than brains type of purchase, which seems incredibly stupid now, but you know, we're gonna get into it. Join me after the break. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, or without being your cup of coffee, favorite fragrances, skincare, makeup, fun leather goods, all the things that make you feel better about yourself because you deserve to treat yourself. And I have, I think, outdone my excessive spending today. The item I bought, I believe I hope I'm wrong. I hope it's not as bad as I think it is, but what I believe it is probably the most frivolous purchase I've made. I fell into the hype of they were doing like double points at Dior Beauty, and I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and splurge on this. I really want this item. Let me go ahead and get it for myself. I shouldn't make excuses. I just wanted it. And more money than brains. I'm not a rich person by any means. This probably was not the wisest purchase at all, but I really wanted it, and it is what it is. So let's get into it. I already opened up the little flap there, so we can go ahead and check out what we got. And it's in, I ordered this right after the holidays, so this is the holiday packaging. It hasn't gone to the Valentine's Day packaging yet, but I know that it's out there. So that, oh, there's something else in there. Okay, let me see what that is, because I don't recall what that is. Coffret, it's ceramic. Okay, I got a gift. Let's see. These are usually the gifts you get at levels of the privé. Not privé. Is that the privé? I can't remember what they call the beauty program now. But what you get for like gold, silver, etc. on there. I don't believe I have hit a new level of beauty. Well, that's interesting. What are those? I see slots here, but there's nothing in them. You think that those seem like the size for where the samples go. I think those are little ceramic shapes that you can spray with the fragrances. Yeah, I remember seeing someone unbox these, and they came with a bunch of samples. So I wonder why mine didn't come with samples. But you get, I'll do that right there so they don't fall out. A star, a heart, and then an 8 and a shamrock, looks like. I'm not sure what the 8 is. Interesting. So, yeah, it says Coffret though. It should have come with some fragrances. Interesting. Maybe I should send an email and say, was it supposed to? Case and ceramic. Confusing. I'm confused. All right. Well, anyway, I wasn't expecting that, so I guess nice surprise, but at the same time, I've seen it before and it didn't look like that. This box is damaged too. All right. I'm already feeling a little bit worried about whatever this is, so. Yeah, I mean, it's all really kind of jacked up. I almost feel like somebody's been in here. Wow, that's way smaller than I thought. Okay. Well, I got a deluxe sample of J'adore, and then I got a deluxe Miss Dior. Oh, I got a bunch of these, so maybe that's what's supposed to be in there. I got what? Talisman, Sakura, Amber Nuit, another Amber Nuit. Oh, two of them. Eden Rock, which I have a ton of, and Jasmine de Angus. Interesting. Well, since I have those, let me just test that out. My theory. Yep. They're supposed to have boxes of fragrance inside them. So I'm assuming because they're in there, they just didn't package them. Interesting. All right. Anyway, so yeah. So that put into the sample bag. A little odd. You normally do a better job. I feel really disoriented. This, I've been wanting to buy this for quite some time, and why I look kind of just upset. This looks a lot bigger on the website, and I'm a little bit angry, or a little bit just upset that it's so small. These, it says it's 5 by 0.25 fluid ounces, 7.5 mil, and I just was expecting a bigger presentation for these. I knew they were miniatures. I didn't think they were going to be this small. So a little bit of backstory. I was either going to get this set or the Fendi miniatures, and I had already tried several of these and knew I liked these. And the Fendi ones I had the samples of, and I tried most of them, but not all of them. And in the end, I was like, oh, you know what? I think I'm going to get the Dior ones because I wanted to get the points. And I just, at the time, it just made sense to get this one and not the Fendi Coffret. Now looking at it, I probably should have got the Fendi one. So I'm kind of kicking myself that, again, more money than brains kind of thing. But I really wanted the, what do they call these? I think these are the elixirs, if I remember correctly. No, the Esprit de Parfums. So these are the more intense ones. And I have all but samples of all but, I think, Lucky, if I remember correctly. And in here there is, yeah, Lucky's in here. So I have tried all the other ones, and I did like them. I really liked Gris Dior. I love the Rouge Trafalgar in this version, and I really liked the Amber Nuit. I just got the Oud Isfahan version. Gosh, this is really hard to open. Okay, yeah. I'm really disappointed that those are so small. I got this Gris Dior in this exact size as a free sample. So I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger. And I don't know why I thought that, but I'm just kind of disappointed. Oh well, you know, you live and you learn. But yeah, I had hoped it would have been larger samples. But the one I was intrigued about was the Lucky. That's pretty. So that is the one thing. I have been really pleasantly surprised with the elixirs being, or sprees, excuse me, being significantly different than the originals. Richer for sure in intensity, but also the notes do seem different. So they definitely are a pleasant change. I find that fascinating that they would change so much, because you would think that being the more intense version, it would just be a stronger version, but they're not. They're actually quite different. At least the few that I've tried, they seem quite different. The Rouge Trafalgar for sure, to me, it's just a more intense, syrupy type of smell to it, whereas the original is kind of a lighter fruity floral. The berries come in a little bit more intensely. Even the Gris Dior, it becomes a little bit more syrupy as well. So I find it kind of fascinating how they change the scent so much for these versions. I certainly have liked them. I can't remember if there's another one that, this is just the set of 5. There's a 6th one. I believe the Bois Talisman has come out in this version as well. But it wasn't part of this set, and that's fine. At this point, I'm kind of done. I don't intend to buy the full sizes, and I'm kind of, I shouldn't say I'm completely unhappy. I'm disappointed that these didn't have more substance for the price. This was $300 and I think $30, and they were giving away some of these for free as free gifts with purchase. So I feel incredibly stupid, but I also really wanted the scents. So I guess, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, what are you gonna do? I do appreciate that gift. That was nice. They'll be fun to use. I do have quite a few of these spray samples of these, so I might use that for the coffret there, to spray them and have them waft in the room. But I almost feel like I can't even use these because they're so small. I mean, it just seems, I mean, get it, that's the sampler, but I just had hoped they would be a little bit more substantial. So, all right, you know, you live and you learn. And I should know what 0.25 ounce looks like. I don't know why I thought that was a bigger size than these little vials. So anyway, that was my purchase, and I hope you've learned that this is probably not the one for you if you're wanting to try them out. Wait for them to come out and be with your, I think when you spend $100 is when you get offered the larger size little bottles of things, and every so often one of these will pop up. At the very least, little vials of spray, like 2 milliliter samples, and you might as well use that to your advantage and get them that way. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, thanks for joining me, and you know, I'll do better next time. I'll buy the Fendi ones. All right, thanks y'all. Take care. Bye.